Now, let's say the house is occupied. Just so we have clarity on this, avoid doing deals with houses are occupied. But if you're going to do houses that are occupied, make sure two things. You still get pictures, but you get a third party licensed home inspection done. Okay. That's going to cost you some money. It's going to be $300, $400, $500 maybe, depending on where you live. I think we pay about $300, $275 or something like that. But it's the difference between making this a headache and making it a lot easier, because we get that property inspection report, we email the deal out, and anybody that responds back, we say, hey, the property is occupied, but let me send you the third-party home inspection I had done. Tells you everything that's possibly can be wrong. You know, home inspectors, they find everything. They make a mountain out of a molehill, so you know that this thing's gonna be better than what you thought. So we send them the third-party home inspection, we send them the pictures. They get to decide at that point if they want to walk the property. I do this on wholesale deals and MLS deals. I don't even let people walk the houses on my MLS listings that are occupied, because I don't want to distract the tenant. The tenant's going to get irritated. The tenant's going to stop cooperating. The tenant's going to get mad at the landlord and say he's going to move out. Then the landlord's mad. Okay. Do this process. And then when a buyer says, hey, I am interested. Okay, Mr. Buyer, let me just get some clarity on a couple things here. You've seen all the pictures and you've seen the third-party home inspection. We need you to make an offer first. Once you make your offer, then we'll let you walk it. And just so you know, it's just your offer is based on the fact that you know everything that's wrong with the property. The final walkthrough is just a final step before you say, let's close. I'm ready to move forward. Okay. That's how we do it. If you don't want to do it that way, you can also just say, hey, Mr. Seller, just so you know, our price is $82,000 and that's what we're expecting. Are you prepared to make an offer of $82,000 after you walk through based on, you already know everything about it. You're just doing a final walkthrough. Oh, well, no. I would not pay $82,000 for this house. I'd probably be at 60. Okay. We're not going to be able to meet that. Let's just not waste time. Does that make sense, guys? That's how you do the occupied properties. That's how you turn them from a headache to a simple process. And typically, as I've done that, we've gotten the price and we haven't had a hassle. We've gotten it closed, but that's it. That's the whole process of what we do, our system for getting contracts.